Hi, I am Ashish here and welcome back to Coders Academy. Today we are diving into Google Pomelli, an AI tool produced by the Google Labs that turns your website into ready-to-post marketing material so that anyone can create material for marketing campaigns. No design skills needed at all. Given a website, Pomelli analyzes the website of the business to understand the business DNA. So it understands the brand voice, colors, fonts, and then spits out a tailored social media campaigns ideal for small and medium businesses, creators, and consultants alike. The tool is in free beta right now and is available only to a selected few countries. We will be using a VPN to connect to a specific country for the demo. For a demo today, we will be using the Sugar Cosmetics website. We will be using this website to generate the business DNA, all the marketing material including fonts, images and videos from the website. Eventually, any marketer can make use of these artifacts to post it on social media for any sort of campaigns. So let's jump into the demo now. So we head to the website labs.google.com Pomelli and we say get started. So as you can see, Pomelli is not available in India. So it has to be accessed from specific region. So I'll open the urban proxy VPN and connect to United States. So we have connected to the United States. Now let's go back to our page and say get started again. So this time it has opened the website for us. So you agree to the terms and conditions, and here you can see the welcome page for Pomelli. So let's try the first option about generating the business DNA for the media campaigns. So I'll enter the website for Sugar Cosmetics here, continue, and here it is generating the business DNA. So it's analyzing the business. It will take a few minutes. So it has started determining the pages from here, the visual aesthetics, picking the brand fonts, pulling the images from the website, summarizing the business. We'll allow it to finish. So here is the business DNA output that you can use for creating social media campaigns. Feel free to edit this at any time. So the business name is Sugar Cosmetics, correctly identified by Pomelli. The website is sugarcosmetics.com. It has pulled certain images from the website. Here is a logo image. We'll open some of the images to see what it has like. So here you can see one product. The other one is something for your eyes, and there's here which is around lip gloss. Okay. On the left we can see the fonts that are used on the website is Jost and Poppins. If you wish, you can change them. There's the colors also that it has extracted, the tagline, the brand values, empowerment, cruelty free, easy return, celebrates every interpretation of beauty. There's brand aesthetics it has pulled from the website. Okay, now the brand tone is confident, excited, casual. So yeah, this is the overview of the business. So now next we'll use the business DNA to generate the social media campaign. So let's generate the campaigns. Now describe the campaign you want to generate. So I don't have any ideas, so let's ask for suggestions. Pomelli can make mistakes, so please double check the outputs. Cool. So it has given us three options here: wedding season, cruelty free. Let's use the first option. So here are the series of creative to post for this campaign. Wonderful. So it has come up with a beautiful creative design here: ultimate wedding glow up kit, flawless long lasting glamour. If you wish, you can make some edits into the header, description and call to action with the options on the right side. Let's go back to the previous screen. There are the other creatives that it has created. Get ready with sugar and other things. Okay, so you also have an option to animate the creative. So we'll use the first one as the animation option. So the animation is done. Let's play it. You can see the lotus flowers flowing around and the eyes blinking on the right side. Nice minimalistic animation. Okay. If we wish, we can also create our own creative using this prompt here. So let's try something on our own. So what do I say? Create a bride using sugar cosmetics, or rather a bride using lipsticks from sugar. So lipstick from sugar for her wedding. Let's try a campaign for this. So generate. Oh, wonderful. So here is a perfect picture of a bride using sugar cosmetics, lipstick. Flawless creation. Excellent result. We go back to the previous screen. We go back to the campaigns, and we are done with the campaigns here right now. So just now you saw how useful Pomelli is for the marketers to create marketing material. Given a website, it's very easy, and within a few minutes you are able to generate your images, fonts and campaigns required for social media. Plus, it saves you a lot of time required to build such a material with the help of a designer who understands these skills. In some aspects, Google Pomelli is very similar to Higgsfield AI, which we have demoed on our channel a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen that video, please check out the link over here. Let me know in the comment section which website have you created the artifacts for. If you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.